Welcome back, everyone. I hope you had a great Friday. I hope you made a lot of money out there in the markets. If you're new to the channel, my name's Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. And if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. If you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing, be sure that you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and most importantly, hit that like button. So let's talk about the market. We're going to go over our ROI for the week. I think you all like what I got for you. So we ended up with the S&P closing down 0.25%, Dow Jones up by 0.39%, and the NASDAQ down by 0.58%. Now that's pretty good. That was a nice rally in the market toward the end of the day, considering that the NASDAQ was down for most of the day over 1%. So we rallied back pretty good right there at the end of the day. Crypto had a nice little run right at the end of our normal market. Had a nice little run up, hit its head right on that 25,000 again. Got up there. Well, let's go ahead and pull it up. Actually, we broke 25. I'm sorry, just for the briefest of moments there. Let's see here. Looks like we hit 25,000, 26.99. At least that's what it's trading for right here on my Webull. Haven't looked at it over on my Coinbase just yet, but right up there, and then we got rejected, currently trading down around 24.7. So again, we've hit our head on it, we've come back down a little bit, which is what we've been calling for. It's what I've been expecting. Overall, we had a great day today. Only took one position. We actually took that position yesterday. I told you I picked up some puts on Coinbase. Picked up some puts a couple of weeks out at the $70 strike price. Picked those up at $8.10 and sold them today for $12.20, which represented a 50.6% ROI on that trade. So super happy about that. We didn't do much trading this week. I tried to do a little trading on Monday. The market was crazy. Won some, lost some. Only ended up 2% up on the day, just a little bit over, which brings our weekly total to 52.7% for the week. Now, we didn't do a lot of trading, but at least that trade that we had today did fantastic and gave us a nice ROI, which is still nice overall bump on our account. You know, if you're trading like me, you're trading roughly 10% of your account in a trade, you get a bump like this, that's over 5% for the week up on your entire account on a trade like that. That is a huge amount. That's at least half of what most investors expect out of the market in an entire year. We knocked that out in a week. I'm pretty happy with that, especially given the volatility that we have. So overall, I'm not complaining one bit. We set most of this week out. We just let the market do what it needed to do. Let it start finding its feet. I've heard some other YouTubers out there, Stocks with Josh, for instance, has been talking about we could end up finding ourselves range bound, and that's definitely starting to look like where we're at right now. Now, I do believe that we're range bound way too tight, and we're going to have to break out. I do believe that break's going to be to the downside, but right now, a lot of volatility, and if you're out there timing it right, there is a lot of money to be made. And if you want to learn how to time it right, be sure you're following along with this channel. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you've hit those notification bells. I don't nail them all, but we've got a pretty good win rate over here, and our account's been up week after week, every week, since I started this video series about 9 months ago. So, again, my hat's off to you. I've been trading for a while now. I've done very well. But when I felt the need to get this out there and start teaching other people, I'll have to say my trading has even improved since then. Part of that's probably because I put in even more research so that I can bring you just as much knowledge as I possibly can. And part of it is I'm a firm believer that the more you put out into the world, the more comes back to you. So it's my mission to help teach everyone, and I believe this to my very core, anyone can be a millionaire. I believe that. The question is, how do you go about it if you don't already know? I can teach you that. And how quickly do you want it to happen? Because that's where things have to get switched up a little bit. So that's what I got for you. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. There wasn't a lot to talk about. We just talked about this market. I feel like we're in kind of a bubble. I'm still expecting that pin to get popped. For most of the day, that's exactly what happened. We won't be trading on Monday. We'll come back in. We'll hit this on Tuesday and see how everything plays out. Don't forget, we got the new investor kickstart program starting up. And to kick that off, I'm giving away $10,000. And I've been asking everyone to vote whether you want that to one lucky winner, whether you want $5,000 to 2 winners, whether you want $2,000 to 5, or $1,000 to 10 winners. And we're going to kick this off. We're going to get this program started. We're going to get everyone in there. And as this program grows, we're going to be giving away more and more and more money. My hope is to grow it to the point that we've got thousands of members in there and to give away over $500,000 this year. If you want to get your piece of that, make sure that you're, for one, go in, vote in the comments how you want to see this giveaway, because you're going to be the recipients of this. So make sure you're voting. And 2, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. I'm going to be putting out information on where we're going to start queuing everything up at to get everybody set to be a part of this Kickstart program. That's what I got for you. Till next time, be blessed. Get your part of this. Get in there. Let me know how you want to get it, and make sure that you become a part of the program when it launches. And until then, be blessed. And remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.